Alright, so I'm working on this grinder today, and this brush, this brush is good. You can see it's clamped down in there, but this one I had to resolder, put a good amount of goop, yeah, but I used 2 zip ties to clamp down the spring. I'm gonna clean up the brush just a little bit, but it should be good after I take off the zip ties, and then put some grease in there, and this thing should be working good. I mean, the spin's good. So cleaned up the connections, and it should work after this. It wasn't working before, so. Harbor Freight soldering kit.